Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya. I'm gonna unbox my baby brother's puzzle package. So, let's jump. Okay. This is very heavy. Okay. It's very hard to see the opening. Like, it's God. Oh, wow! For example, let's take the first one. You look at this. It's a puzzle with numbers and shapes. And the next one is with some transporting things like trains, airplanes. The third one has dinosaurs. And the fourth one has all of the ABCs. See? And the fifth one has farm animals. The sixth one has ocean animals. See? So let's pick one. Let's take this. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's see how to put this puzzle back. Okay, now look for a shark. If you see a shark, tell me. I see one. Now look for a crab. You already see a crab. And then a sea turtle. After that, like a big fish. And this looks like a dolphin there. And this looks like a smaller fish than the first one. And this is a scary octopus. Now we saw the puzzle. Yay! If you like this puzzle, we brought it from Amazon. You can also buy it from Amazon. You can get the link in the description below. Bye bye.